The AutoDS platform can completely automate your ordering process. By enabling automatic orders, the system will order the products from your suppliers directly to your customers and update tracking information. This feature saves you time, leaves less room for human error, and your customers will enjoy faster delivery times. Plus, there's no need to download any third-party applications or any extensions in order to enable auto ordering on AutoDS. Here's how you can set up your account for automatic orders. The first thing that you need to do is click on Settings and then Buy Accounts. Make sure that you have a buyer account. If you don't have a buyer account, click on Add Account and enter your details here. For more information on how to add a buyer account, check out the help links in the comments below the video. So once you set up your buyer account, go to Store Settings, and in the Orders tab, you'll have all of the settings that you need to set up automatic ordering. The first thing that you'll see is in Order Settings, use Manage Orders Fulfillment. This is only if you're using the Fulfilled by AutoDS service. It's not what we're talking about in this video, but for more information on that, check out the links in the help section in the comments below the video. The next option is Automatically Fulfill. If you check this in, the system will automatically fulfill your order as soon as it comes in. In other words, as soon as your store generates a sale, AutoDS will use your buyer account to purchase the product from the supplier and ship it directly to your customer. The AutoDS system will also automatically update tracking information and your order status. The main differences between Fulfilled by AutoDS and automatic orders is that on automatic orders, you're using your own buyer accounts to purchase the products for your customers using your payment details. And on Fulfilled by AutoDS, the AutoDS system have their own buyer accounts, which are used to fulfill the orders, and you will have to load balance into your account in order for the system to be able to fulfill your orders. If you do not have the Automatically Fulfill button checked in, the system will not automatically fulfill your orders. You will need to go to the Orders page and change the order status from Pending to Send to Auto Order. Once you do that, the system will automatically issue the order from the supplier to your customer, and it will update the order information accordingly. For example, the next status after pending is ordered, after ordered is shipped with the tracking information, and so forth. Now let's go back to the settings, order settings. Now keep in mind that we are configuring the Amazon US supplier in this example. If you click on any other supplier, you will be configuring their auto order settings. The next option is to override a customer's phone number. So using this, instead of the customer receiving an SMS that he has a package on the way from a certain supplier and then they'll know who you're buying from, you can just override their phone number, use any number that you want, and then they won't be receiving any SMSs that they have packages on the way from your supplier. The next option is maximum purchase order price. What this means is if you have an order higher than the maximum purchase order price set in this field, AutoDS will not automatically fulfill the order for you. It will keep it in pending and will wait for you to come, observe, and take action. So for example, if you have the Automatically Fulfill button checked in because you want AutoDS to automatically fulfill your orders as soon as they come in, but you have a maximum purchase order price set at $100, and now you just got an order totaling $120, AutoDS will not fulfill this order. It will keep it in pending status and will wait for you to come and issue the order yourself, just as if you didn't have this box checked in. The next option is maximum loss, which works pretty much the same way as purchase order price, except this one asks you what's the most that you're willing to lose on an order and still have AutoDS automatically fulfill this order for you. Now, I do not recommend anyone to ever lose money on their orders, but if, for example, you didn't have price monitoring set on a certain product and your supplier increased the price, your store stayed with the cheaper price, and you lost money on the order. So here you can tell AutoDS, if I lose more than $10 or $5 like it was on an order, then don't fulfill my order for me, keep it in pending, and leave it like that for me. I will come and decide if I want to send it to auto order, or if, for example, I want to cancel it. So that's the maximum loss. The next option is automatic messages to the clients. If you're using Amazon as a supplier, then you know that they send their Prime packages with gift messages to their buyers. So here you can edit what you want that gift message to have on it. Thank you for buying from us. enjoy your product, leave us with positive feedback and so forth, save whatever you want. Next is your unique tracking email. You're going to have to forward all of the emails that you're getting from your supplier regarding tracking information to your unique tracking email in order for AutoDS to be able to successfully automatically update your tracking information for your orders. For more information on how you can forward your emails to your unique tracking email, check out the help links in the comments below this video. Last but not least is the auto order credits. If you click on orders, you'll see on the top right your auto order credits. You'll need to make sure to have them, otherwise AutoDS will not be able to fulfill your orders. In order to buy auto order credits, just click on the buy credit button on the right with the lightning icon, and then you'll see all of the credit bundles that you'll have with their prices. The more credits, the cheaper the price. That's all of the information for creating your automatic ordering account. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. I will personally answer them. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with all of the cool stuff that we have going on in the dropshipping world and on the AutoDS platform.